Lalaki. Ayan guys, they're checking the sound. Getting ready. Sound check time. Ayan guys, super panoramic LED.
When the rain is blowing in your face,
Okay, now we'd like to invite the mother of the group, Miss Maya, for the mother and son dance.
1, 2, 3. One more.
Hi guys, we are here again at Davao Airport. We're heading to Manila for a wedding event. Andar mo na eh. Let's go bro. Getting ready now. Samahan nyo kami sa aming biyahe. Keep on watching guys. Guys, this is Andy, or the tallest among us.
Dito na sila.
Kami dulot. Pila. This time sa Pacific na naman tayo. Nakabahan ka na ba, Andy? Nakabahan ka?
Sure do.
Yan guys, pinagtawanan na nila yung buhok ko. Yan. Hindi naging ash. Yung buhok.
Para mo light diretso yung hair.
Color dust.
Tapos butangan niyo mag-ash. Ako sa red
Ang
ash.
hair mo ay kulay ash straight.
Mula reddish nga ash.
Tayo lang, anong color ng buhok mo? Yan yung favorite na buhok ni Noel Tanza. Ganyang hairstyle. Ito, Steven Seagal. Steven Seagal. Yun? Tingnan nyo yan, oh.
Cycle, meron na ganun.
Ito na yung boarding pass namin.
Ano niya ba? Dapat tarawan sa kasi. Hindi ko na nagkita. Ako to.
Hi guys! We're going to Manila!
Asa tayo? 7. Nakatibil ko eh.
She's so excited. At last, makasakay na rin ng aeroplano.
First time.
Yay! First time. Ano feeling mo na first time nakasakay ka ng airplane?
Exciting.
Wow!
First time.
Tulad din ako nung bata pa.
Ako siya katulog. Para katulog. Sa likod.
Ikaw bro, kumusta yung first time mo? Kumusta yung experience mo nung first time mo sumakay ng aeroplane? Wala yung mugo-mugo nila. Can you greet our viewers din?
What is the viewer?
Meron tayong isang viewer. Waiting area na boarding area. Dia. So, sasakay na tayo ng aeroplano ngayon. We are waiting for our flight. We are waiting for our airplane. Yan. Tawag niyo, pangalan namin. Gabi na. Anong oras na ngayon, Mep?
It's 10:15.
10:15. Oh, ayan na. Sakay na tayo. Traffic. ginagawa nyo dyan? Pasok na kayo. Maiwanan pa kayo. Sila yung pinakalas na sasakay.
Yeah.
Muntik lang maiwan. 22B. And guys, tumatakbo na yung airplane. Kami na yung hinintay. Sleep na kami.
Crew headed by Captain Mendoza and First Officer Singson, together with your in-flight cabin crew Yel, Mika.
Ayan, wala nang tao. Kami yung pinakahuli guys. Kasi sobrang traffic. Thank you. Daway. Daway na.
Teka, mag-thank you raw. Teka, maraming kasabaan. Hila ka.
Welcome to Manila.
Again.
Gamay ang airport. Wala ko naman malakaw yun. Nikulan terminal man to. Look for my guitar. There. Hindi na nila nilagay. And guys, dito na kami sa palabas na palabas. Anong B kaya tayo? Gate 4. Ano ba tayo dyan? Gate 5. Bay 8. Dito tayo sa Bay 8. Hey guys, sundo na kami. Maantok na. Dito kami matutulog. Dito kami titira. Okay, pasok, pasok. Dito na kami guys sa condo. We will stay here for 2 days until Monday night. Oh,
Day lunch.
lunch pala.
Wala na, direya. Siguro.
Time check. Ano oras na yan?
Ito, mag-ampun po. Pumunta na gusto malapit.
12:04 na, so kailangan na talaga natin matulog guys for tomorrow's event. Ito na pala yung namin. Ito ko ako matutulog. But before that, gutom na, kaya kailangan pang maghanap ng pagkain. So, saan tayo guys? 7-Eleven na lang. Alright, let's go guys.
Mula.
Hanap mo tayo ng pagkain. 5th floor.
13, wala na yung 9, 13.
Tagal naman yata.
Wala.
Wala na.
Alright. Okay. Tingnan mo doon. Walang 30th floor. Okay. Friday the 13th. Malas.
Masa naman na nilandra ka na marag.
19. Wala, shortcut lang. Snatchon ba niyo? Mudagay kalit. What do you want to eat? Come on. I'm gonna eat. What do you want to eat?
Lagi hot meal. Lumayas ah.
Pambangil daw sa kagutom. Manager, okay lang yan.
Manager. Yan ang Jud. Bot siya din. Ano ba? Pork.
Giring, bagas ako din view. Tama, yung tama lang ha, huwag masyadong marami. Okay, level up.
Tama na?
Yan na?
Ah.
Hindi pa. Oh, tama na.
Wala ito nakabalo. Hindi na kaya magkapasok. Huwag nyo lang balikin. Hindi ka na ma-abler ron.
Hindi na mauulit.
Punishment ko na
Yung taas, yan.
Taas.
Kasi mo yung may sabi ron. For whole night.
Huwag yung balikin daw.
Alright. We're back home. After 7 hours of shopping. Just kidding. We have hot dogs, shielding, and drinks. A lot more. Let's eat! Ito na yung noodles natin. Kain muna tayo, guys. Pampalipas ng oras. Pangbangil lang is kagutom. Eh, alauna na sa paddown.
Ano yung panda doon? Doon oh. Yung baso dito na paghugas doon. Pupula doon. Barata na doon.
Ito yung favorite ni Kuya Roy. Mumugo.
Dapat sa airplane ka na pamblala.
Ay! Bawal yung mga
Wala ito sa mga itlog. Nice.
Good morning. Good morning, guys. Ito na, pupunta na kami sa church. Come on, guys. Hindi. Kuman mo si Milka. Kain mo yung maligo.
Isa naman to ka ba?
Okay, ako. Makakalay mo sa ka.
Anong nangyari? May nangyari na? Come on, guys. The elevator is open now. Wala na kayong naiwan?
Iwan ang pinakapangit na kumo.
We gonna celebrate. Busy ang mga tao. Ito, busy sa kaka-selfie. Best in selfie. Okay, sakay na milk!
Sa likod mo.
Time.
Tanong. Yan ang mag... U-turn lang. Ano sa kika na rin na?
Ito na tayo sa the fourth. The fourth and the fifth.
Ano yan mo?
The fourth cafe.
Pag inukulog sa mga
Naghahanap si Andy ng guys. Ano mo dito? Sa Makati.
Hindi mo talaga natin ang nasa mo.
Oh.
Agi rin gumandas.
We're looking for food now for our lunch. Here at Global City. Ayun, Jollibee, pwede na yan. Take out muna tayo ng lunch. Good food is there. Tagal sila mag-prepare.
Sa itong nain.
Karan po sa ito.
Yung overballoon sa
Guys, ito na kami sa church. About to start ng ceremony. Stand-by na kami.
Our last celebrant is Reverend.
Sila ay kinakabahan na. Bridal March si Andy. How long will I love you?
Yes, I do.
Do you give your son name as his wife?
Yes, I do.
And do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Dearest Aileen, Words cannot describe all the emotions I'm feeling right now. I'm the luckiest man in the world to be standing here with you today. Years ago, we became schoolmates, became friends, to best friends, then finally blossomed into something special.
It's always been very personal. I don't like asking for things, but God has a way of giving me things before I even ask for them. And so I've always just lived by the day and trusted God's plan for me, good or bad. We're not trying, risking our friendship, and even asking our closest friends for permission. The same circle to which we've set a walang tala-tala rule, consistent. Thank you for the things that matter.
Leave the earth with the holy fear of God. The Lord be with you.
And with your spirit.
Bow your heads as we ask God's blessings. May God grant eternal health to keep you one heart and love for one another, that the peace
for the signing of contracts and picture taking. And as called, please come forward immediately.
Pictorial time na. Kanta pa rin kami.
We also ask MC.
Tara. Saan tayo diretso?
Wala ang driver.
Hey, go, go.
Doon lang natawag ka gano'n.
Ito ang tawag ko. Kaysa. Punta na kami sa reception area. Tapos sila mga fishes. Oh, ang lalaki. Order ka lang, oh.
Hey. Check. Hey, check.
Ayan guys, they're checking the sound, making sure everything is working.
Pero mas gusto ko na siya ng ganyan. Yung ko pinapag
Getting ready. Sound check time. Yun guys, yung cake nila. Chucky and Eileen's wedding day. waiting for our part. Before mag-start ang ceremony, kanta kami ng 3 songs. But sorry, we can't video it. This is our venue for tonight. And guys, super panoramic LED. Busy yung mga tao dito. Asidors in the house.
Now tonight is all about the celebration of love, of course, for Chucky and Eileen to be one tonight. Congratulations to you guys, congratulations. And now we'd like to...
When the rain is blowing in your face,
And now we'd like to invite
in the heart
of the group, Miss 1 a.m. for the mother and son dance.
I could offer you a warm embrace to make you feel my love.
I think you have to give it to the crowd, no matter what. In 3, 2, 1. Woo! Here you go. You didn't need your bow?
Yes.
Ito na guys,
I never really knew the exact time I
speech
and
na
I
ng
became best friends.
brides.
It could be during our sugar days at Chiara's house when we would
Maid of honor.
memorize the multiplication table in Chinese. And it's for us to get
Tapos na ang set namin sa dinner time. We're so happy dahil masaya naman ang
It
bride.
could also be the random book exchanges we had when we were younger, which sealed our love for them.
Please give it up for Eileen and Trina.
Surprise! Wait lang, may prepared lyrics. Nilagay ko siya doon. Wait lang, limiting. Super long. Hindi naman yung mind. At, kailan yun? Okay, basta years ago to. So before pa naging uso yung cricket, right? So na, this is it!
Toast na po. Toasting time. Around 600 guests pala sila.
Congratulations.
Congratulations
from Eileen. Marriage you guys with laughter and love. And may you see. No one's wearing blue anymore? No one? Saya nyo, no? And now the bride's favorite color is yellow. If you're yellow, sit down. All right. No one's wearing yellow? All right, awesome. How many of you guys? 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4? How many? 4? Just 4 left? We're gonna get your numbers later. We're gonna each give you 1,000. Already each. 30 minutes ulit yung speech niya. Okay, ito na. So, Justin and Abigail, both groups are the closest answer will win. Ha? 2 minutes daw guys, kain muna tayo. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
1,200. What?
1,201. Let's see. Justin says 1,201. Abigail says 1,200. The exact number, and if you're closest to this number, you're going to win. The couple is with together for exactly 1,171 days. Abigail wins it for this one. Can I have a picture with you guys? There's a picture with one of you.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the official cutting of the cake of Forever Young 2017.
Are you here? All right. Chucky, do the honors. A quick kiss for the crowd. There you go. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Chucky and Eileen. Say my name,
You never failed to let me feel your comfort and support, even though I didn't ask.
Dearest Eileen, words cannot describe all the emotions I'm feeling right now. Food to savor, more badminton games to smash, more mountains to conquer, more countries to discover, and a lot of
the winner of Hashtag Forever Young 2017 is Armand Yu!
you have been to us. We are so happy and grateful for everyone who came to celebrate this special day with us. We feel so blessed and we hope you had a good time tonight. Please stay for some more drinks and dancing with us. Good night, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Enjoy. Thank you.
Video lang.
So picture.
Okay lang. Sige, salamat.
Smiling! 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3.
Wedding. Tapos lahat wala fail sa kanya. Ang gusto niya talaga yung Asidors, parang
Kasi we went
from Davao.
January. Davao wedding.
Last year kay Sarah.
Oo, nandito rin sila kanina. Yung January wedding. Kasi I love your...
Tapos nothing compared daw to your... Sabi niya,
I will shoulder the...
right. Tapos sabi ko, sige, pwede natin sa condo. So, we made it happen. Thank you so much, sir. Hope you're, okay mo enjoy nyo.
Okay naman kayo doon.
So what's your flight?
Tomorrow, 2 p.m.
Okay.
Nadinig din yun, no? Kinabahan kami. Oh my God,
Okay.
buti na lang.
Okay lang.
One day before tayo. Okay.
Tama lang yung nabook niya.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Guys, we're done here in the event of Chucky and Eileen. Ligpit na. Thank you sa inyo. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Back to condo.
Finally!
Pinaka-best nito. Good morning. Just got home here in condo.
It's 2 a.m.
2 a.m. na.
Sila 1:30 pa.
1:30 pa pala. Hindi pa kami nakatulog from event. Kasi gutom pa eh. Kainan mo na guys.
What?
Ano bang mga nabili nyo doon? Ayan, may juice
Bili ng iba si Bodo.
ng noodles.
Camera, oh.
This is Andy. Asidor. Anong masabi mo sa mga fans mo? See you in the morning. After we eat, we will sleep. Ayan guys, morning. We're going back home to Davao. Nice hair. Heading to airport now. To Terminal 3. Dahil pagdating sa Davao, may event na naman. So, walang pahinga.
Go,
Shades. Bagong bili.
Bagong bili yan.
Oh, dili bagong.
This is our handsome driver for now. You can also understand our language.
Taas na kayo na. Sa Facebook ako na.
Oh. Doon kami sa Terminal 3, Pila. As usual. Go guys.
Yung ba?
Post one. Kung ano yung kinabuhi, record.
Wala ko ah. Hindi lang man ka mo. Wala.
At the moment, ito na yung Terminal 3. February 28th, 2017. Pwede na, pwede na.
Ano na, wait?
Web check-in po tayo. Self check-in. Ito na yung style ngayon.
Mali. Tingnan mo yung kamot na. Akong kuko na.
Oo. Sige, continue. Alright, check in now. Oh, error ma'am.
Error po, sa counter na lang tayo po. May bagahe po ba?
Meron.
Sige po, pag-check-in na lang po.
Dito na lang kami mag-check-in kasi nag-e-error doon sa self-check-in nila. Tapos na kami nag-check-in guys. Hanap muna kami ng makain. Dito pa rin tayo sa Terminal 3 sa loob.
I can need you there. What can you need out and check? Single.
Ano yun? Single week? Isang ano lang.
Take.
Ha?
Tara na.
Isa lang. Isa lang ang kanong kuwan ba? Kaya isa kayo ano.
Hindi
isa. Uli na ni.
Kani siya kay 2,000.
Take.
Katong is...
Meron silang food hall where you can choose many kinds of food. Ah, KFC na, walay kanon. Walay kanon.
Hindi na yung bigating.
Ikaw, bahala na yung Grace.
Dahil, hanag tao. Ito na kami sa KFC guys.
Ano is KFC?
At hindi pa nila naligpit yung kinainan ng unang ito. Tsaka papakita ko sa inyo yung first recipe nila, itong lagong. Yung malaking langaw sa Bisaya, lagong. Yan o. Yan. Langaw-langaw lang muna tayo ngayon kasi yung ipis nila ubos na eh. Yan.
Naman no.
Na-enjoy talaga ng langaw yung walang KFC.
Yung leftover.
Oh, tingnan nyo guys ha. Oh, wow! Sarap-sarap naman ang kain niya.
Nalibog na sa unang kaon.
Hindi niya na alam yung...
Wala pa dito. Kanang yung number 1.
Hindi nila ito dahil.
Ipahin po sa akin.
Up lang.
Oh, look at that.
Dagan kayo ito. Mga 2 katrino.
Order ka dito.
Punta na kami sa aming aeroplano.
So guys, ito na kami sa labas ng aeroplano namin. Yan. Ayun, sasakay na.
Tawag. Kanta mi sa... Asa mo mag-surf na? Ikaw?
Mati.
Shall go.
Ayan na, nakaupo na tayo.
Officer Yao, you're inside
importance to us, so please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete
Counter is now open. You may now deplane once again.
Hagdan isa yan.
We'll also use the back door.
Thank you. Guys, pagbuha na tayo guys. Thank you Lord for the safe flight. For watching. Later we will have an event at Marco Polo Davao. Maganda na naman. We don't have enough time. Mag-iisa, mag-GPS.